Hey? Yeah, I know you're hungry, but we can't feed you. Don't you tear that rubber, you little monkey. They're in a really cheeky mood this morning.
Aren't they?
Hey? No, don't you rip that, you little monkey.
Whoa.
What are you doing, hey? What are you doing? Just because I'm eating doesn't mean there's anything for you. No, I'm not allowed to feed you, you little monkey. No, don't even think about eating my rubber either. No, none for you. Hey? You are so cheeky.